Hi, I'm John. Welcome back to Chicane. Today we're going to talk about recommissioning a V8. These cars are expensive to fully restore. There's a lot out there that need recommissioning. So we're going to try and explain to you briefly what's involved to recommission a V8. What's imperative is that you have a solid chassis and a good body, because that's where a lot of the money goes. And the top value of these cars is going to outweigh the restoration costs by loads. So this particular car here, we're going to upgrade it to 5.7. It did have air conditioning, so it's going to have air conditioning. We're putting in a different gearbox. We're going to upgrade the brakes and suspension. So it's going to be a really nice, usable car, but with a lot of the original patina left in it. The seats and the leather work are all original. The bodywork is very original, and it's just going to be a really cool car that's not going to break the budget compared to a full restoration. So from that point of view, recommissioning a V8 is a good way to go. Okay, so thank you for listening. A brief insight into recommissioning a V8. Any more information, please get in contact and we can help you and guide you through this whole process.